Okay, the inside of our ice cream truck is done. Nelson push cart. It's currently on right now, and it's keeping the ice cream about negative 17 degrees Celsius. So we have an inverter, a 1500 watt inverter, 24 volt. Runs off the battery bank that's enclosed in the counter. It will keep the ice cream cart frozen for a couple of hours. We have a dead man switch down here that shuts off all the power. All the DC power is shut off with that switch right down here. After I bought the E-Track, I discovered that there was this X-Track. I'm really liking the X-Track. Bolted onto the side, and you can mount all kinds of stuff. They have a whole variety of things you can mount. This is a fire extinguisher mount. There's shelves, there's baskets, and you can go either way. You can go horizontal or vertical on the same piece of track. I think that might come in handy. Our homemade ice cream is made in Bloomington, Indiana at One World Enterprises. It's a shared kitchen, and we just rent it by the hour. We make our ice cream in an Emery Thompson batch freezer. So about 300 pieces of ice cream, different flavors, all individually packaged. We got our kitchen sink from IKEA. We have gray water and fresh water underneath the sink. It's a little standalone unit. We enclosed it with the reinforced fiberglass paneling. A high-low headlight switch. There's power to the pump. Pump automatically comes on. And we should have hot water. So, and then when not in use or in between washes, we just keep the switch off. On-demand hot water heater hooked to the door, so we just open the door. It's outside. We got the adapter for a small propane bottle, and it works just fine. We'll be at festivals, parades, county fairs, street corners, parking lots, office parties. Alrighty, thanks for watching. Have a good day.